Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in this video. Top 10 most profitable construction business ideas with low investment. The construction industry is an evergreen field. Internationally, the construction industry is worthwhile. Also, it offers various kinds of business openings for business visionaries. Certainly, the majority of the startup opportunity requests introductory capital venture. In any case, there are a few chances that you can consider with low cost. A ton of new improvements are occurring in the land industry. Hence, beginning a business identified with construction sounds exceptionally beneficial. The construction industry isn't simply restricted to the structure of house and construction of workplaces. There is a wide scope of exercises did in the construction industry like redesign and fix. In India, the construction industry is divided and assumes a significant part in the general economy. It represents about 11% of India's GDP. As indicated by an investigation by the Global Construction Point of View and Oxford Economics, India will turn into the world's third biggest construction market by 2025. This is motivating for the business people who will start another endeavor in the construction industry in India. Here in this video, we have compiled the top 10 most profitable construction business ideas with low investment. 1. Cement retailing business. An extra flourishing and beneficial undertaking in the construction business that a business visionary with next to zero specialized abilities can consider beginning is to open a cement retailing business. All you need is an ideal area and a little venture. It is a flourishing and beneficial undertaking. In non-industrial nations like India, this could go to be outstanding amongst other development business thoughts in India. 2. Bricks and blocks manufacturing. Bricks and blocks making business is a generally excellent chance for those hopeful people who need to set up a limited scale fabricating unit in the construction business. Also, you can start the undertaking as a locally situated with minimal effort venture. Notwithstanding, you should have an adequate work environment for the unit. 3. Doors and gates manufacturing. Creating gates and doors are an immediate construction-related business. And the construction areas will consistently require gates and doors, as without it the construction business doesn't exist in any case. So a decent and profoundly productive dare to get into, as this business never sees a fall in deals. 4. Ceramic tiles making and retailing. If you want to start a limited-scale producing business in the construction business, you can think about this business. Ceramic tiles have expanding requests all through the world. Regardless of whether it is flooring, or restroom dividers, or ledge, ceramic tiles are utilized widely. Thus, a business related with ceramic tiles can end up being an extraordinary business thought in this industry. It very well may be started with little capital. This is quite possibly the most beneficial construction business to begin. 5. Construction equipment retailing. Another good business within the construction industry should bear in mind starting is to enter the offers of improvement hardware. The equipments, like concrete mixers, shovels, pans, and ladders et al. Are a number of the equipment you'll find in a perfect construction shop. You don't need any technical skills before you launch this sort of business. All you would like may be a shop and capital to stock your shop with construction equipment. 6. Sands and gravel supplying business. This is another exceptionally beneficial construction-related business in who taking a gander at beginning a business in the construction business. Indeed, there is not really any construction work that should be possible without gravels and sharp sands. This demonstrates that there is to be sure a really huge market for gravels and sharp sands. The inventory of gravels and sharp sands business, that doesn't need preparing or any specialized training. All you need to get this kind of business rolling is a tipper, truck and the specified permits. 7. Painting services business. Painting business is one more exceptionally profitable construction-related business that a business visionary who is keen on bringing in cash ought to think about beginning. Painting of a shape is a part of the final little information which can be carried out after creation occupations were finished. Along these lines, this demonstrates that there are verifiably heaps of business openings for proficient paint administration. In the event that you are attempting to begin a construction-related business, this is a business that requires very small startup investment. 8. Carpentry services business. Carpentry assumes a significant part in the beautification of construction business. In the event that you can make a group of some profoundly talented and semi-gifted carpenters, you can consider starting a carpentry business. All furniture beginning from cupboards, cabinets, beds, and divider framing, all are made and introduced by a woodworker. Thus, seeking after this business can get you great benefits. 9. Electrical wiring business. A building can never be finished without fitting wiring connections. On the off chance that you are a circuit tester or you have considered electrical designing and are looking towards beginning a business in the development business, at that point one of your alternatives is to begin an electrical wiring business. It is a beneficial and flourishing business. Also, realize how to arrange and showcase your administrations in the development business. 10. Interior designer business. There is a wide extent of work for interior designers in the construction business. In India, housing will be the following large thing occurring. The Public Authority of India is additionally making different strides for the development of the housing business area. It is clear the interest for interior designers will undoubtedly fill in the country. In the event that you have some involvement with this field, it is the most appropriate opportunity to begin an interior planning business. We hope in this top 10 most profitable construction business video will help you in initiating your own business. If you like in this video, please like and comment. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, friends. For more business ideas, subscribe to New Business Ideas.